Yo, what's going on, agents? It's your boy Dimitri from Insight, and I'm back again with a new feature. All right, so today's feature is going to be the distance to unit feature, right? And this feature tailors more to recovery agents, spotters, and pretty much anybody who is looking for a unit that you've already spotted on a dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So on the dashboard here, just to refresh your memory, we have a couple cards here. Remember, this dashboard is to kind of show you your ops for your current day, current week, or current month, right? So we have your total repos card showing the repos that happen within this time frame, your total spots, your units pending repossession, right? So this units pending repossession is everything that has been spotted on Insight for this time period that has not been picked up, right? So if you think about this repo hit list, it's like a big ongoing units pending repossession list, right? This repossession list is not bound to any time, not bound to these time frames. This is I could have spotted something, here we go, 3 months ago, right? And it's still here on this list, right? Because we want you guys to know what's still out there and what's the oldest. All right. The feature today is this little guy right here, right? This little distance right here. As you can see, it says linear distance. And it's going to show you your linear distance to this address on file. And let me explain to you what I mean by linear distance, all right? All right, so here's an example of linear distance, right? So pretty much, this is your location right here, and this is the road that you would travel on if you had to navigate through Apple Maps, Waze, Google. It would show you this route, right? And let's say this route would be maybe like 5 miles, right? Now the linear distance is going to show you your distance directly to the unit. So from right here, the fastest straight line to that unit is what we're showing you here, right? So this might be, let's say, 2 miles, right? Versus the five that it would actually take, right? So just want you to keep conscious of that when you're looking at these distances and you see a distance and then you punch it into your map, you see something totally different. This is why, right? It's linear distance, a direct line from your current location to that unit, all right? Catch you back. Right, so now that you understand what a linear distance is, now you can see on this list, we're going to give you all your distances where your linear distance from your current location to this address here that you have spotted the unit at, right? And even better, right? If you click on this units pending repossessions card, right? Let me get a bigger sample size here. Now, what we did was by default, all the units on this units pending repossession list are going to be sorted by the closest unit. All right. So put yourself in this scenario, right? You're an agent driving on a road. You have your dashboard pulled up here with your units pending. And as you drive, the closest units are just going to the top, right? So as you're driving, maybe you're at a stoplight or so, you just kind of take a glance. Maybe you're coming off of lunch. Maybe you just ran an address. Hey, let me take a look at Insight. Let me see what's closest. Oh, look, this account right here is less than 2 miles away. Let me go and check it out. Let me see if it's there, right? So, yeah, in a nutshell, that's what this feature is. We just want everyone to be more conscious of the opportunities around them. We want you to know how close you are to these units. All right, so that's the feature that we have for you today. You know where to find me if you need me. Hit me up with all your questions, comments, and concerns. I think this feature will be really beneficial to you and your agents. So, till next time, peace.